Here's another cloud chamber I made this year. Uh, I've been seeing quite a few muons and electrons, a couple alpha particles. Um, but the setup is just using a lantern globe and a paint lid for the base, and I just use rubber cement to go around the bottom as a seal. Then I've got a plastic bucket lid on top with a piece of felt soaked in 99% isopropyl alcohol. On top of that, I've got a bowl full of warm water, and I'm just using a little Maglite flashlight. You can see a couple little ones there. They're showing up on video. Hopefully I can capture a nice long one here. But of course, yeah, this is sitting on top of a block of dry ice. I'd like to make a bigger cloud chamber, but this works. It's small. Oh, there's a little one. I had like 3 good ones in a row before I started recording again. I would be able to generate some of my own with, I've got a sample of americium 141 and I can't find it. I know I put it somewhere where it's safe and away from everyone, and I can't remember where that spot is, so it's really safe because it's away from me. This year about 30 pounds of dry ice for Halloween. So we usually do some science experiments. I like to do the cloud chamber. I was thinking about making some liquid ammonia and performing the birch reduction. But I don't have any sodium or I do have lithium, but I'd have to take the batteries apart, and I don't feel like doing that right now. I'm not feeling so great. So if I had electromagnetic coil, I could put it on top and uh, direct more of the particles that are zipping by towards the bottom of the container here. I know it's possible. I've seen videos on it, but I don't know what kind of voltage you need or how big the coil needs to be or which direction it needs to face. You know, I'll figure it out sometime later, but anyhow, yeah. Oh, there was a good one right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video though. At least there's been a number of them that you could view, and a nice long one there towards the end. So, hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time.